Hey guys, this is a 2023 Ford Ranger XL loaded FX4 package, black package, rebuilt title, front end damage. Wasn't too bad. I've got some pictures if you request them. Super clean motor. See, there's clear bra on the front end. All the way around. No damage that was right through here. It's all been fixed up. Number, power seats, power windows, locks, automatic lights, power mirrors. Good look at that seat. Looks super clean. Start it up here for you.
97.1 CHT, an iHeart radio station. Make us the #1 preset on your car radio and on the
Mileage there, 25,758. It's cruise control. All your steering wheel controls. Your FX4 package there has the locking diff, tow package, has heated seats. Your climate controls, phone, apps, all your different settings. USBs there. No airbags deployed on this. Pretty blue color. There's your tow package. Does have the running boards on it, tinted windows. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.